Let's set up this HX Stomp to work with the Noatronic Onboard Expression system. First, I've hooked up the power to both units and an active monitor to the HX Stomp. Next, I'm going to control or connect the stereo jack cable to the guitar and put that into the receiver. We also want the output, the guitar output, the mono cable, TS cable, to the receiver, or from the receiver to the HX Stomp input, like that. Next, we want the MIDI out from the receiver to the MIDI in on HX Stomp. Let's turn it on. So the HX Stomp is factory reset with factory presets, and both units are transferring or receiving on the MIDI channel 1 per default. So the first mode on the receiver here is MIDI PC or program change. So this allows me to switch between 6 different presets. 0, 1, 2, 6, 5, 4. Depending on how you count. I mean, are you a computer or human? So 0, 1, 2 and 5, 4, 3. The idea is that you have 3 presets, but you have 2 banks. And it's really easy to find the middle one because there's a center detent on the pod. Okay. What's even more fun is actually the expression and bypass control. So it's a button one, so select that and go for a more usable tone, voltage screen. So we can change the parameter with this and we can engage something with this. So I want this to be my solo boost and I want this to control some parameter. Let's start with the solo boost. There is this tube screamer. Highlight that and click these two. Select bypass assign. Next page, learn. Click. It learned CC 102. All right. So we want some more gain on that. Also like some delay for my lead tone, so I go to the delay. That's not the delay. Those touch controls. Let's see. Let's take this to 1/4 first. And yeah, we click these two. Bypass assign. Next page. Learn. Click. So it also learned to do delay. Let's see. Okay, my boost is ready. I'm ready to rock. Go to the end of the stage. But I want to do something with the expression here, or turning the knob. There's many things you can do. So let's just start with this tremolo. So now we click controller assign instead. Select what parameter, intensity, learn, and now instead of clicking, we just simply turn it. So now this is my mix of the tremolo, or the intensity of the tremolo. It could be many things. I mean, let's do something more crazy, like the pitch. It's kind of fun. I mean, mix all the way up. It's the best. Controller assign, learn. Did you get it? Yeah. And So now, yeah, it controls the position. So it's in the middle right now, and that's the reference, and I can go an octave up and an octave down. And back again. Turn on my solo. I think you get the point. Really, you can control anything, yeah, I usually use it for controlling the gain or the overdrive. So on the bottom I have some compression on, and I roll that off gradually, and then I turn on some distortion of some kind. And I always use this for the solo booth. I think that's the best, honestly. Okay. There is one more mode, and let's first delete all this. And that's the snapshot mode. So that's the one in the middle. And now we can send 6 snapshot messages. Now the HX Stomp only has 3 snapshots. So 1, 2, 3, but not 6, 5, and 4. So on the HX or the Helix LT and the floor, this is obviously not a problem. But if you have the HX Stomp, there is actually something to do with the snapshots anyway. The first thing I'm going to do is make the receiver only transmit 1, 2, 3 and ignore it when I press. I can do that because there's a special MIDI channel, which is the last one. And when that one is selected, the behavior is quite different. I'm not going to go into full details about this, but it's in the manual. Basically, it'll transmit MIDI messages when you turn on channel 1, and when you click, it'll transmit on channel 2. So this is actually really good if you have several pedals daisy chained and you want some to be controlled by the expression and some with the bypass. But we can also utilize this to get some of this snapshot functionality out of the HX Stomp. I hold the option switch upwards for 4 seconds. And now I can select channel. I scroll through all the channels. There's a table in the manual that shows what channel these LEDs represent. It's binary numbers, but check it out. So hold it in when all LEDs are on, and now we're in that mode. I have 1, 2, 3, and when I click, I still have 1, 2, 3. If I were to change the MIDI channel on the HX Stomp to, we can do that. It's to channel 2, like that. Now it would not recognize these messages, but when I click, it will be 1 and 2. Snapshot 1 and 2. Okay, let's go back again. So we have 1, 2, 3 at the moment. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook up a Footswitch, or rather the switch output of the receiver, to be the one controlling when I click. So I'm gonna plug this TRS cable into the switch out, and the switch out here is on the ring. It will make the connection on the ring terminal. So plug this in, and also in the HX Stomp. Now we go to the foot switches, and we see FS4 is all bypass. Let's make this Stomp 4. Yeah. And also we want to select that the tip is actually, what did I touch? Oh, let's go back. Try again. global settings, the tip has to be the FS4, like that. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna select something to engage when this switch enables. So let's see, we have the, I don't know, did I? So that was just to make sure I didn't save anything. Let's do the tube screamer again. So more gain. We select bypass, switch. Let's do FS4, latching. Well, this means that when it gets a click, it will latch. We select the momentary on the receiver, so it will send like a brief switch like that. Okay, I think I've set some settings on the switch wrong. Bank up, okay, so that was bank up. Let's say HX Stomp 4, okay? And now when I click, you see, it'll actually turn on the tube screamer. And I can go through the three snapshots. I haven't saved anything interesting, but I hope you get the idea. That's it for this video. I really hope you got an idea of how you can control your Helix product with the Noatronic Onboard Expression system. If you have any questions about other use cases or there's some details you want me to go further in, let me know. Comment below or tag me on social media, send an email, info@noatronic.com. I'll be happy to answer anywhere. So yeah, that's everything for now. Be sure to subscribe to the newsletter on the website noatronic.com, where we will send out an email as soon as the product is ready for sale. It's soon, it's really soon. And I hope you guys will subscribe and take part in this. So yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great day.